At Raffles Place MRT station now on the way towards the National Day Parade on the 9th August today, so let's go. The volunteers wearing the red color shirt, wishing everyone happy National Day. Now it's still not too crowded. Wait until the end of the show. This Raffles Place MRT station will be super jammed that it will take like 15 minutes or 20 minutes to clear at the crowd. Lots of people are walking towards the Manam Park right now. The time is 40 minutes past 5 p.m. In a short while, I think 20 minutes later, the red lions will start to descend from the sky, doing their parachuting and really excited. The crowd is getting ready to cross this street, and the Manam Park is just behind the NTUC building. People wearing the green color uniform are the army. We are here to help passersby in their directions, and now we're moving forward to the Manam Park. Oh man, the first round of fireworks has started. Look at the crowds. Today is a full event, so by the way, that's Fullerton Bay Hotel. They say they're going to close the barricade in a short while. Look at the crowd later, even more. If you are not very tall, then you have a problem to breathe. So just bring a portable fan. We're walking right here from the Esplanade, one round to the Manam Park. That's what the army staff instructed or advised. Here you are, we're going straight and entering the Malayan Park. Inside Esplanade Mall now, we're going to find the Malayan. They also blocked this entrance, so the only way is go straight. I mean, one round again. Finally, I'm going to find a way. Inside Malayan Park right now, but I'm going to walk to the Malayan because over there with the best spot, not here.
This is his second appearance at the National Day Parade as our Prime Minister.
The is coming now. Oh, sorry.
Baghdad, yeah.
fire suppression.
The good news, managed to come this close.
Following behind is the 7th generation ambulance. It
I
is
walk all the way from Esplanade
to medical emergencies and save lives. Is the hazmat mitigation rig with a comprehensive range of detection and mitigation equipment for hazmat incidents. Together, our servicemen and women from the SAF, SPF, and SCDF work to keep Singaporeans safe and secure.
First round of fireworks, more coming later.
To you, our SG60 NDP show!
Here we are, in this together, spirits forever. Look how far we've come. Here we are, land of the weather, storms and changes, we're finding the sun.
We sail through seasons of change. I'm so glad you're my neighbor. Moving to each other as we fade more. Just know here we are. No matter what the storms and changes, we're flying the sun. Here we are to the fire. We can live our hopes and dreams. Here
Can you okay?
李欣兰，你是吗？
是我，是吗？
上个月我兄弟关于搬迁的事，什么问题可以打电话给我。
去外头。
future, someone like me is the future. So what's the name of our band? Maybe Out of Death or Fire Ninja Together Work.
Where are you from?
Singapore.
That's from London. Are you the only one from Singapore?
Yes, sir. I'm the first. But there'll be others.
Mama bilang, lumpur aja kalau sudah besar. Kalau menantu, jangan lupa hati.
When things were the same, I thought we knew had to change. Together we've tried, as we've stood side by side. I know we built a new world of hope forever after.
Marina Bay, you know the words, sing along!
Deep in my heart, I just know, right from the start, we will run with family and friends. Together we'll stand, and in the end, hand in hand, we will be there.
People at the paddock, look behind you as the Giant Incredibles come on down. Pass it on!
So now we with you, working together to win. Believing in trust, be possible to overcome anything. There's so much to do, there's so much we can contribute. Sharing just deep in my heart, I just know, right from the start, we will grow. Look where we are, we've come so far. There's still a long way to go. With all of my heart, I will care. I'll play my part. I will share.
Alright, Marina Bay, up next, we are joined by our live performers who are lighting up the night sky as the ambulance skywalk, as well as our friends from Extraordinary People, bringing rhythm and heart for celebration from the NTUC Center. Let's give them your loudest cheer!
for you to speak up and shine. It's up to the next generation to do what they want to have for the future.
I want us to continue pursuing our dreams freely. When you paint or when you draw or you create something with passion, people can feel the energy of it.
Going the exit by the Esplanade side. Into the MRT, it's super crowded. In here, 3 times. So every 3 times, every time it's 2 different, and today is the most crowded. But then today the exit is towards the Esplanade side, not towards the first place. You know, in Singapore we walk a lot, so recommend to wear sports shoe or sneakers. Try not to wear like high heel shoe or even slippers because it's kind of hard to walk, especially when it rains. And bring a towel with you in case you sweat a lot, and a hot water fan, as well as water. You can save some money from buying water at convenience mart. You can save maybe up to $10 a day because one bottle of water at 7-Eleven is about $2 to $3, so 3 times a day is about $10 the maximum. So you bring water, and refill any of the drinking fountain, you save you $10 a day and 1 month $300. Or look at the crowd in front. There is the MRT. Finally, we have some air conditioning. Look at how crowded it is. Have a drink, Oga green tea, while waiting for the crowd to go. If you guys enjoyed the video so far, subscribe and like so that more people can find this video. Thank you very much. Another few, about 200 meters more, reach the City Hall MRT. Oh, look at the shops, they are still open. Now it's about 9 PM on a Saturday night, 9th of August 2025 is the National Day and birthday of Singapore. Singapore is 60 years old this year. It was founded in 1965, so this year 2025 is 60 years old. And by the way, there's a Mission Action on the right side. It's a popular brand, and I think other countries have it. There are branches in other countries, not just in Singapore. I like the aircon because just now it was like sweating like nobody's business. The sauna